Some non-essential businesses in Georgia, Oklahoma, Alaska, and South Carolina are now open, but not everyone is convinced that's a good idea. Health experts, local politicians, many people in those states are worried the measures are being lifted too early and that a second wave may follow. Our Katie Simpson is reporting this morning from Georgia, a focal point state because businesses are set to reopen even as the number of coronavirus cases continues to rise.
This is what it looks like when a business reopens in the middle of a pandemic. We're inside the 313 Salon in Marietta, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. And over the weekend, hundreds of clients have come in here for haircuts, for manicures, even some eyebrow waxing. Now, given the intimate nature of those activities, the salon has taken a number of precautions to make sure everyone is keeping their distance. Things like making sure that the stations are spaced out more than 6 feet apart. When clients come in, it goes one client, a space, and then another client. They're trying to keep their distance as best they can. But it's incredibly difficult when the service that's being provided is so inherently personal. We spoke with one young woman who came in to get her eyebrows waxed today, and she said she did have concerns but felt comfortable given the precautions that are being taken here.
I came in because I needed to get my eyebrows done, and it had been a long time, and I just felt like the precautions that they were taking, I felt safe to do so. I don't feel like they would have opened up if there was any chance of us getting sick or hurt while we're in there.
When customers arrive here at this salon, everyone must be wearing a mask, and before anyone can even get in the door, they actually have to have their temperature checked, and as a precaution, everyone's given a squirt of hand sanitizer. Now, these particular rules are just unique to this individual salon. For another round of businesses that are opening today, there are 39 strict measures that must be followed for those particular businesses to reopen, including restaurants. Restaurants can open up their dining rooms once again, though some in the Atlanta area are feeling uncomfortable with that idea. There's not expected to be a mass reopening, but some restaurants do feel comfortable enough to open up their doors with certain precautions in place. Georgia is one of the first states to reopen during this pandemic, and certainly everyone is going to be watching to see whether the measures enacted here are enough to keep people safe. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Marietta, Georgia.